built this app so buyers can finally walk onto any lot with the same information the dealers have.
Here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come. Shadows creeping on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Broken dolls are on the floor. Don't you knock upon my door. 1, hold your breath. 2, scared to death. You hear the silence break.
Verified and true isn't just a slogan. It's my mission.
I can hear you. I can hear you. 2, 3.
This app was built to give buyers real confidence in verified information.